Okay, now that that's kind of cleaned up, let's get into this video. Hey y'all, what's going on? My name is Burton. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. We have a long overdue video. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, and we're going over braided hairstyles for men. So this is for guys who have long hair, braids, or twists, and they want to know how to style it. This is going to be really simple, easy to follow. I'm going to cover in 3 sections. We're going to be covering wearing your hair in one, wearing your hair down, and wearing your hair in a half up, half down. So as you can see, my hair is currently in braids.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the voice over here because that's a lot of editing and stuff. So yeah, the first section we're gonna start off with is the one. Wearing our hair, it's a simple one, and these are all styles that I've done before. So whenever I wear my hair in one, I wear it like this. First, start off with my hair down, then I make sure all the hair is like in one uniform position, like they're all going back. Fix anything that needs to be fixed. Bomb, bomb. Okay, second way to wear your hair in one is just to like take the one, put it a little bit higher. Take it. This time, if I would take some of my sections, push them up a little bit. Also, if you have braids with your real hair, try not to pull on them so much because that's going to frizz them out. But if you have braids with like synthetic hair, it really don't matter. Alright, a little bit up. I can wear my hair up, but I don't. Just because I don't need to. Now, when it comes to wearing my hair in one, I'd also wear it in a bun. So I take my hair not too tight and wear it in a bun like that. I usually wear it like that if I go to like school or work where I have to wear my hair in one. And a good way to style this up or to jazz it up is to just take one, wear it down, left or right side. Or something else that I like to do is just wear it with the two bangs in front. By the way, if you want to watch a prerequisite to this video, you can go on my Instagram and see a video of me washing and rebraiding my hair. Or for some reason, I like how this looks, where I just take this and put it like behind my ear while everything else is in one. So I wear that sometimes too. It doesn't make that big of a difference, so it's just something that I would notice. Also, if you don't have an elastic, something else you can do is just, if your hair is long enough, go to the very back of your hair. The very back. Get 2 sections from the back. I don't even know if you can see this one. Like this is the last 2 braids at the bottom, on top of at the back of my head. So I take it, bring them around. And use this as the thing to keep my hair in one. It's a whole lot less tension and it doesn't come loose. Just tuck in whatever needs to be tucked in and poof. Okay, section number 2 is the half up, half down hairstyle. It's self-descriptive. Half up, half your hair is up, half your hair is down. So for this, I have my hair all the way up. So I would take the front sections. If you want, you could leave it like this and have them go up, but I just feel like that looks awkward to me. So I have my sections going more so over my head than anything. Come over the sides, and she'll grab like an even section on the sides and in the back. And then take my elastic, boom, half up, half down, more so pointing up. Next we have the half up, half down with bangs. So anyone you want to do, I'm gonna go with the half up, half down, pointing down, because that's what I usually go with. Take it, put it in half up, half down, take one, flop, take the second one, flop, half up, half down with bangs. It's simple. Basically all of these are just without bangs, without bun. Another style I do, but not so often, is just like, I don't know, I call it two ponytails, where I do the half up, half down, the other half with a braid, wrap it around. Speaking of which, whenever I wear my hair in a half up, half down, I also like to just take it and take a section, put it in. That way I wouldn't have to worry about my hair like sticking out all over the place. Okay, third and final section is, I like to wear my hair down a lot. Like if I'm just like don't want my hair in one, I'll just wear it down. And you could wear it down just like this. You should all flat. You can wear a do-rag on top for a minute just to make sure everything is laid down, and there you are. Make sure everything is like even, nothing sticking out, no braids are overlapping. Also, something simple that I like to do is just take one section, put it behind my ear, leave it like that, just keeps it out of my face. Or if I really want it out my face, just take both sides, put it back. Alright, another way to wear my hair down is in a very loose one. My braids are long enough to do this, but like barely do this. But if I don't want my hair back in one, I just want to wear it down, I take it very loosely, grab the bottom piece, take my elastic, and do it like this, and keep it tight. If I wanted to, I wear it in a bun. If I don't want to, I just leave it like that. Tuck the front sections in. There you go. I did this style because it reminded me of my favorite Naruto character, Neji. Neji hair is like long enough to rest on his shoulders and still go past his back. So yeah, I just do this if I want to wear my hair in one, but I don't want to pull it back. So it's that. Very, very loose one with no tension at all. Alright, this next and final one is wearing your hair down but back. So for this one, I don't want my hair in my face. I want the top sections to go back. So I take some of the top sections, put it back, place it back, place it back, with my hands, rub it back. I usually keep like this section down, this side section down, and have it back like that. That way I can wear my hair down but have it out of my face. And this usually does not stay on its own, so I would like take one section, twirl it around another one, make sure it looks fixed and like the sections all go in the same direction. And I would put a do-rag over this and let it sit for, I don't know, until I'm ready to go out, just so that everything can stay. So if I don't have a band or I don't want to put my hair in one, I just go with this style. But this is one of those things that you have to keep fixing. So if you're going to be bending down or moving, just be prepared to touch up here and there. But this concludes the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Just if you made it all the way to the end. This one is for all my guys out there who have braids or just long hair and they trying to find something to do with it. Besides, I don't know, maybe wearing it out or just having it in one. Or just different ways to style it. So I hope you find this useful. I hope you try these out. There's probably like hundreds of styles and stuff that you can do, but these are just like, I don't know, 12? I think it was like 12 or so, or like 9 styles that you could do just in like 3 sections. So either you wear your hair down, red in one, or in a half up, a half down. That's like the base of all hairstyles, I feel. So yeah, once you have those 3 down, you could creations of hairstyles are like endless. So I hope you found value from this, and if you like this video and other stuff like this, feel free to subscribe and like the video and comment what you like about it, or what style you see the most, or what style that you would use the most. My go-to style is wearing my hair in one, just like a simple one with one braid hanging down. I wear it just about every day. So yeah, if you know someone that has braids, send this to them. Yeah, but I will see you all next time in another video. I hope you all have a blessed day and stay safe, I guess.